In our engineering systems, engineering servers, we may have more than one hard disk. That depends on your, again, design and philosophy. In my engineering system, I have 3 hard disks. For checking the status or healthiness of this hard disk, I will go to HP Array Configuration Utility. Click OK. Now a web page will open. Here we can see the status, and click here and select Smart Array P410. Okay. See, this is my hard disk. Expand here, click here. Okay. I'm having 931 GB and it is in RAID 5. RAID, RAID 5. You can click more information. You can see the present status is okay, it is healthy. And this is the size and the fault tolerance. We have RAID 1, RAID 2, RAID 3, something like that. And we are using RAID 5. Mostly we use RAID 1 or RAID 5. And these are other parameters. And if you see, I have 3 hard disks, right? These are the hard disks. Bay 1, Bay 2, Bay 3. These are positions, okay? If you see the first hard disk and third hard disk, there are no warnings here. But in the second hard disk, I have this warning. You can also see here, the first one, that means it is completely failed. The second one means it is some fault is there, or it may work now, but it will eventually fail. Okay. You can also select here, you can go to physical view also. See, this is logical view. That means it will show it has only one drive. That is 931 GB RAID 5. If you go to physical view, my second hard disk is failed. Go to first hard disk and click more information. If you see, status is okay, size is 500 GB, drive type is SATA, okay, temperature and everything is okay. Similarly, select Bay 3, hard disk 3, more information. This is also okay. Select the hard disk 2 and click more information. You see, there is already some problem is there and it is showing as failure, but predictive failure. Okay, almost it is failed. We have to replace the hard disk. See, we are having RAID 5. If one hard disk fail also, nothing happens to the system. Online, we can replace the hard disk without shutting down the system. That is the advantage. That depends on your model, type, okay, system model and type. Some systems may need shutdown, and this is hot swappable, and we don't need a system shutdown for replacing or troubleshooting a SATA drive. Okay. This is enclosure view, internal drive, more information. See, this is the code also 341. Fail soon. My one hard drive is going to fail soon. Actually, it is already failed, but some status it is coming. That is why still it is showing some status. We can select some parameters here. For example, rebuild priority. If your hard disk fails and you want to replace with new hard disk, and or what is the priority for rebuilding? When you replace your hard drive, the system automatically rebuilds. Okay, that means creates the required database in the new hard disk. Okay. That is what we call rebuild priority. You can put it as medium. That depends on your system specs. Okay. Remember that. And these are other parameters. Mostly there is no need to change these parameters. All default parameters will work fine. That's it. In this way, we can see the status of the hard disk in servers.